This is a kaba kick cylinder. I'm gonna try to get into it, and then I'll talk a little bit more about it afterwards. So, Peterson's pry bar, 40 thousandths, top of the keyway, Jimmy Long's hook. There we go. There we go. Awesome. Okay. So, this thing's kind of a pain in the butt. And I'm going to do something that I don't normally do because I thought this was weird. So, I got this off eBay. I had to progressively pin it just to get it to open in the way that it is. So let's get this down here. All right, let me get my pick. Alright, so I'm gonna set that there. I'm gonna put you here. Give me 1 second. So, all of the key pins are standard key pins. And what I thought was weird was that all of the standard, or all the, not all of, but you'll see, because that gave me way too much trouble to just be standard pins, but number 3 is a T-pin with a strong spring. But all the rest of them are all standard pins. Ooh, oh yeah, there's 6 pins, stupid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And that's a spring from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, yeah. So yeah, as the lock came, that was what was in it. But what I thought was weird, where are they at? They're right here. The guy that sold me the lock sent me a bag of security pins with the cylinder. So I'm guessing maybe he switched them out before he sent them. I don't know. So now I've got to go through and put all these security pins in here with that T-pin, and then maybe make another video of getting this thing open. But even just with the standard pins and that one anti-bump T-pin, I mean, it took me 2 days to get into this with having to progressive pin it. But I have a little bit better understanding of how the lock works now, so I guess I'll go through and put some of these serrateds and spools in here, and then, you know, come back to it and do a video with the security pins in it. But this is the Kaba kick cylinder as it stands.